Hi, in this lesson we're going to learn touch command. If mkdir command is used to create directory folder, touch command is used to create a file. Touch command also creates, changes, and modifies timestamps of a file. Let's create a file. Type in touch test file 1. You can name whatever you want, and then put an ls-l. Here it is. Our test file 1 is created. As you see, test file 1 turned to a white color, and at the beginning of permission side there is not the letter, there's a dash, which it means it's not a directory, it's a file. This is directory and this is a file. Let us check our created a new file over graphical user interface. Going to activities, files, and here it is. And if we open it, we'll see nothing because it's empty file. We can create multiple files as well as we did in our mkdir command. Type in touch test file 2, test file 3, and hit an enter, then ls. Here it is, test file 1 and test file 2, test file 3. We have files are created. If you want to modify existing file time, type touch -m means modify. Then let's put test file 1. Test file 1, hit an enter, and it's done. Let's check it. Go into test file 1 properties. As you see, it's modified. We can check from here as well. Like we created at this time, and let's put ls-l, we did modify creation time. Explicitly, we can set access and modification time with our touch command as well. Like mkdir and other commands, in Linux, we can create a file in other directories from current directory. So let's go back to our root directory, put in cd/, and we are in our root directory. Then we're going to create a file, put in touch, home, put in tab button, in documents folder. I'm going to create test document 1, enter. Now let's check, put in ls-l, the same path like documents folder, and here it is, our test document 1 file created. We'll use touch command often in our next lectures. So this is end of our lesson. See you next lesson. Bye.